We are in Copenhagen. We have our calibration seminar with 300 years of calibration experience with us from Danish pharmaceutical industry. Naturally, we want to share calibration knowledge, what we know, but more importantly, we understand the industry better. Like today, I learn a lot. I thought that I know everything, but not even close.
It's a good way of getting off the busy workday, and it's very refreshing coming and meeting other colleagues and have this network. So yeah.
Yes, I think it's great to hear and talk with other companies, and they are facing the same issues that we are, I can hear. So we are kind of in the same boat, so we can learn from each other. So.
I think that sharing, understanding. You think that you know everything, and it's valuable to discuss with your peers. They understand their issues. So I think that's maybe the core value attending.